Hello, my name is Amrinder Singh. I am a iOS developer. Today we will learn about the dictionary in Swift. So, what is a dictionary? So, basically, dictionary is an unordered collection of items. It stores elements in key value pairs. Here, keys are unique identifiers that are associated with each value, right? So, let's start with an example. So if we want to create a dictionary, first we have to define, we can define the keyword called let, and uh, then we add any name called dic, dic colors, right? And then we have to define here type. We assign here type as integer as our key, and the value is our string. So then assign some values called 1, and we call here 1, and color is our red, and then 2, and then the color is we called is green, something like this. So basically here, if you can see, we have a one dictionary, and then the key is in integer type and the value is in string type, right? So now let's print it out. Dictionary of colors and print. Let's see. Okay, but you can see here the value was already stored. Now it's executing. Okay, basically in dictionary we can store values in key value pairs, but if we want to add another values we can do as well. Like in meantime it's running, we can add like the colors. We if we want to add any value, we have to just uh, uh, write here key, as we can say the unique key as a 3, and the value is we can say yellow, right? Then if we do print and dictionary of colors, let's see how it works. Okay, it's not assigning to the value because it's a constant we added. Now let's add here variable var keyword. Okay, so it worked, right? You can see in the first print we have only two key value pairs, but in second we have three key value pairs, right? So as I said, it is a unordered collection of key value pairs, right? So it is not in order, right? And now if we want to remove any value, how we can do? We have to just, okay, let's see here dic colors dot remove value for key, we say here 2. Let's print it out. So now what we are saying here, we are saying to remove the value of which have a key called 2 have a green. And now let's see the output, right? Okay, you can see the 2 green is removed because we said here. If we want to update any value, how we can do? So we just have to write the dictionary name, and then the key like which we want to update called 3 is we defined here, we assigned as a yellow, but now let's write here black. Let's see the print the colors. So now we change the value for 3 key. Let's see. You can see here in the last we have a 1 as a red and 3 as a black. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. So this is the our dictionary in Swift. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel for future videos, and if you have any query, you can add your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.